Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working towards becoming an Australian citizen, there's one major hurdle you absolutely can't overlook: the Australian Citizenship Test. Think of it as your gateway to officially joining the Aussie community. This test isn't just a formality, it's designed to make sure you truly understand Australia's values, traditions, institutions, and what it really means to be Australian before you get that all-important passport. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what the test involves, who needs to take it, and the critical requirements you can't afford to miss. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to approach it with confidence. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about who actually needs to take the test. Most applicants applying for citizenship by conferral between the ages of 18 and 59 are required to sit the exam. However, not everyone falls into this category. If you're under 18 or over 60, you don't need to take it. The same applies to individuals with significant physical or mental disabilities, or those with severe hearing, vision, or speech conditions. Even if your English literacy is low, you might be assessed through a personal interview instead. So if you're in the main age range, it's time to focus and start preparing for the test. What does the test actually look like? The Australian Citizenship Test is a computer-based. The Australian Citizenship Test is a multiple choice exam conducted entirely in English. So being comfortable with reading and understanding English is essential. The test consists of 20 questions and you'll have 45 minutes to complete them. To pass, you need to score 75% or higher, which means getting at least 15 questions correct. But here's the part you absolutely cannot overlook: the single most crucial rule that carries 100% weight in determining your success on the test. Here's the deal: if you want to pass the Australian Citizenship Test, you must answer all 5 questions on Australian values correctly. Miss even one and you fail the entire test, no matter how well you do on the other questions. These questions focus on Australia's core principles, including democracy, equality, freedom, and respect for the rule of law. The 5 core values you need to know inside out are respect for individual freedom and dignity, freedom of religion, speech, and association, support for democracy and the rule of law, equality of opportunity for all, and mutual respect and tolerance. For those of you coming from countries like the UK, some of these values might feel familiar. Still, mastering this section is absolutely essential for everyone because it's the single most important part of the test. All the questions on the Australian Citizenship Test come straight from the official resource Australian Citizenship Our Common Bond, which is a 50-page PDF. The test itself is divided into 4 main sections. The first section, Australia and its people, covers the nation's history, symbols like the 3 official flags, the First Peoples, culture, traditions, and key days such as Australia Day and Anzac Day. The second section, Australia's democratic beliefs, rights, and liberties, dives into freedoms like religion and speech, as well as the responsibilities of being a citizen. The third section, Government and the Law in Australia, explains how the government is structured, the roles of leaders, and how laws are made. And of course, the fourth section, Australian Values, is the most critical, as we discussed earlier. Here's a pro tip: read the booklet multiple times and pair it with mock tests. Platforms like Mock Master offer realistic practice exams that replicate the real test and help you identify areas you need to review. If you want a more structured approach, One Australia provides step-by-step courses that guide you through every section, ensuring you're fully prepared for test day. On test day, the Australian Citizenship Test usually takes place at a Department of Home Affairs office. For example, in Sydney, your test might be held in Parramatta. A few tips to make the day run smoothly: arrive about 15 minutes before your appointment, but don't show up too early, as they usually let candidates in batches. Bring your original photo ID documents listed in your test invitation, and wear something comfortable. There's no need to dress up, since most of the process involves a quick ID check. When you check in, you'll scan the barcode on your letter, wait for your number, and then show your ID to a a staff member. You'll confirm personal details like your name, date of birth, and address, answer any questions about criminal convictions, and give permission for a police check before moving into the test room. The key here is to stay calm, be prepared, and be familiar with the test format. It'll make the whole process much smoother and less stressful. Once you finish the exam, the good news is that results are usually provided immediately. If you pass, congratulations, your application will move forward and you'll await your compulsory citizenship ceremony. If you don't pass, don't worry, there's no need to panic. You can retake the test as many times as needed with no extra cost, giving you plenty of opportunities to succeed. Remember, preparation is everything. Using MockMaster mock tests can help you simulate real test conditions, track your progress, and improve both speed and accuracy. For those who want a more structured approach, a One Australia courses provide a step-by-step plan to guide you through the entire test, helping you master both the knowledge-based sections and the crucial 5 Australian values questions. By studying the Our Common Bond booklet, practicing thoroughly, and focusing on those values, you'll be well prepared and confident on test day, and well on your way to becoming an Australian citizen. Good luck with your preparation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates on the citizenship process, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. You've got this. Stay consistent with your study, focus on the values, and use the right practice resources like MockMaster and A1 Australia to boost your confidence. I'll see you in the next video.